Hello and welcome to the Diary of a Consulting Musician, the Covid Chronicles. In this episode we'll be taking a step off-world and out into deep space as we join the last of humanity fleeing a dying sun to re-establish themselves out somewhere in the galaxy. In 2019 and 2020, just before the pandemic hit us, I was working on an independent audio drama about the last of humanity in space. We talked about, as part of the pitching process, we talked about Doctor Who, we talked about the different versions of Star Trek, back to Blake 7, even the tripods and sort of radiophonic music of the 1980s and synthesizers in general. I felt this was an ideal project for me because those are all the things I love basically. So the first thing I did was to create 3 versions of a potential main title piece of music. So this version is number 1. And it was nicknamed the TNG version for reasons that will become immediately apparent. So join me on the bridge of that starship as we fly out to the furthest edges of the galaxy into deepest, darkest space.